is arithmetic progression. What is the meaning of arithmetic progression? If the difference between two consecutive terms is constant, then the sequence is called arithmetic progression. In an AP, if the first term denoted by A and common difference denoted by D. Now we start practice set 3.1. There is first question is, which of the following sequence is an AP? If they are AP, find the common difference. How to find out? You can solve here. There is a question. First question is 2, 4, 6, 8. There this is 2 is what is the first term, and 4 is second term, and 6 is third term, and 8 is fourth term. We can find out difference. How to find out difference? Find out, you can use T2 minus T1, means what? Second term minus first term. Understood? Now write down here, T1 is equal to 2, T2 is equal to 4, T3 is equal to 6, and T4 is equal to 8. Understood? Now find out common difference. Common difference find out. T2 minus T1 is equal to, what is T2? T2 is a 4 minus T1 is what? 2 is equal to what? 4 minus 2 is 2. Now T3 minus T2. Understood? Biggest minus smaller. T3 minus T2. T3 is what? 6 minus 4 is equal to what? 2. Now T4 minus T3 is equal to what? T4 is what? 8 minus 6 is equal to what? 2. There is all sequence is constant. Understood? The difference between, you can write here, the difference between any two consecutive, the difference between any two consecutive terms is constant. Terms is constant. There is 2 is constant, then this is what? This is the given equation is what? The given sequence is AP. You can write here, the given sequence, is an AP. Understood? Now common difference. What is the common difference? Common difference denoted by D is equal to, what is the 2. Clear? Now first question is solved. Now second question. Second question is 2 5 upon 2 and 3 7 upon 2 and dot dot dot. Understood? Now same we apply here. First you can write down here, T1 is equal to 2, T2 is equal to 5 upon 2, and T3 is equal to 3, and T4 is equal to 7 upon 2. Understood? Now first you can write down here, T2 minus T1 is equal to, T2 is what? 5 upon 2 minus 2. How can you solve? There is multiply, there is 2, you can multiply by here, 2 into 2 means 4, so 5 minus 4 upon 2 is equal to, 5 minus 4 is what? 1 upon 2. 5 minus 4 is 1, and there is 2, you can write down 1 by 2. Now second, T3 minus T2, T3 minus T2, what is T3? T3 is 3, minus T2 is 5 upon 2. Now you can cross multiplication, 3 into 2 is what? 6, 6 minus 5 upon 2 is equal to 6 minus 5 is 1, 1 by 2. Now third is T4 minus T3 is equal to, T4 is what? 7 upon 2 minus 3. 3 2s are 6. 6 upon 2 is equal to 1 upon 2. There is all sequence is constant terms. You can write down here the difference between any two consecutive terms is constant you can write down here, then given sequence is an AP. Now common difference is means what? This is D is equal to 1 by 2. Clear? Question number third, minus 10, minus 6, minus 2 and 2. You can write down here first. T1 is equal to minus 10, T2 is equal to minus 6, T3 is equal to minus 2 and T4 is equal to 2. First, you can subtracting second term minus first term. T2 minus T1 is equal to what? T2 is what? Minus 6 minus T1 is what? Minus 10 is equal to minus 6 plus 10 is equal to what? 10 minus 6 is what? 4. Now second, T3 minus T2 is equal to what is T3? There is minus 2 minus 6 is equal to minus 2 plus 6 is equal to 4. Clear? Now T4 minus T3 is equal to, T4 is what? 2 minus T3 is what? Minus 2 is equal to 2 plus 2 is equal to what? 4. There is all constant is same. Then you can write down here the difference between any two consecutive terms is constant. Then you write down here the given sequence is an AP. Now common difference D is equal to what? 4. Understood? Now solving fourth question 0.3, 0.33, 0.333 dot. You can write first here T1 is equal to 0.3, T2 is equal to 0.33 and T3 is equal to 0.333. Understood? Now first you can write here T2 minus T1 is equal to 0.33 minus 0.3 is equal to what? 0.03. Now T3 minus T2 is equal to what is T3? T3 is 0.333 minus 0.33 is equal to what? 0.003. This is constant terms? No. Then you can write down here the difference between any two consecutive terms is not constant, then you can write here the given sequence is not an AP, is not an AP. नाउ फिफ्थ क्वेश्चन बहुत ही सिंपल आप कर सकते हो. नाउ स्टार्ट सिक्स क्वेश्चन. देयर इज -5 -5 -5. यू कैन राइट फर्स्ट हियर t1 इज इक्वल टू -1/5, t2 इज इक्वल टू -1/5 and t3 is equal to -1/5. Clear? Now solve here. t2 minus t1 is equal to, what is t2? t2 is -1/5 minus t1 is -1/5 is equal to -1/5 plus 1/5 is equal to, there is one negative and one positive number with 0. Understood? Plus 1 minus 1 is equal to what? 0. Then second, t3 minus t2 is equal to, t3 is -1/5 minus -1/5 is equal to -1/5 plus 1/5 is equal to what? 0. Understood? Then you can write here the difference between any two consecutive terms is constant, then the given sequence is an AP. Clear? Then there is common difference. D is equal to, what is the common difference? 0. Clear? Now solve question number 7. 3 plus root 2, 3 plus 2 root 2, 3 plus 3 root 3. You can write here first t1 is equal to 3, t2 is equal to 3 plus root 2 and t3 is equal to 3 plus 2 root 2 and t4 is equal to 3 plus 3 root 2. First you can write here t2 minus t1. Why t2? t2 is 3 plus root 2 minus t1 is what? 3 is equal to, there is 3 plus and then negative minus will cancel. The answer is what? root 2. Now solve second, t3 minus t2 is equal to, what is t3? t3 is 3 plus 2 root 2 minus bracket 3 plus root 2. How to solve? There is, you can solve it here. 3 plus root 2 root 2 minus, there is minus, bracket open, this is plus, bracket open, there will be minus 3 minus root 2. Now there is plus 3, this is cancelled. 2 root 2 minus root 2 is what? root 2 is equal to what? root 2. Now t4 minus t3 is equal to, t4 is what? 3 plus 3 root 3 minus t3 is what? 3 plus 2 root 2. 3 plus 2 root 2. How to solve? 3 plus 3 root 3, bracket open, there is minus 3 minus 2 root 2. There is 3 cancelled. Now 3 root 3 minus 2 root 3 is equal to what? root 3. Now you can write here the difference between any two consecutive terms is constant. The given sequence is an AP. Now common difference D is equal to what? root 2. Understood? and question number 8 you can solve. Understood? Now question number 2, write an AP whose first term is A and common difference is D in each of the following. There is given first question is A is equal to 10, D is equal to 5. How to find out AP? This is A is equal to what? This is the A is what? This is the A is what? T1 is equal to what? 10. A is what? T1. This is the first term is T1 is equal to 10. How to find out second term? Second term find out there is T2 is equal to T1 plus D means what? First term plus common difference. Understood? Now you can solve here. T2 is equal to T1 plus D. What is T1? T1 is 10 plus D is what? 5 is equal to what? 15. Now second term is equal to what? T2 plus D is equal to T2 is what? Means 15 plus 5 is equal to 20. Now T4 is equal to what? T3 plus D is equal to T3 is 20 plus 5 is equal to 25. Clear? Now you can write down here. What we will write here? There is 10, 15, 20, 25 and dot 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 is the required AP. You can write here 10, 15, 20, 25 dot 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 is the required AP. Understood? Now second, same you can write here A is equal to T1 is equal to minus 3 and you write down here T2 is equal to T1 plus D. What is T1? T1 is minus 3 plus D. D is what? Plus 0 is equal to what? Minus 3. Understood? Now find out T3 is equal to T2 plus D. T2 is what? Minus 3 plus 0 is equal to what? Minus 3. And now T4 is equal to what? T3 plus D is equal to T3 is minus 3 plus 0 is equal to what? Minus 3. Then you write here minus 3 comma minus 3 comma minus 3 comma minus 3 dot 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 is the required AP. Understood? Question number 3, there is A is equal to minus 7. You can write here A is equal to T1 is equal to minus 7. Then T2 is equal to T1 plus D. What is T1? T1 is minus 7 plus D is what? Plus D is what? D means 1 by 2. You can write also 0.5 is equal to what? Minus 7 plus 0.5. There is minus 6.5. Understood? Now T3 is equal to what? T2 plus D. What is T2? T2 is minus 6.5 plus 0.5 is equal to what? 6. Minus 6. Understood? Now T4 is equal to T3 plus D is equal to T3 is what? Minus 6 plus 0.5 is equal to minus 5.5. Understood? Now you can write here minus 7 comma minus 6.5 minus 6 minus 5.5 dot 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 is the required AP. Understood? Now fourth is A is equal to minus 1.25. You can write here A is equal to and T1 is equal to minus 1.25. Find out T2 is equal to T1 plus D is equal to by T1 minus 1.25 plus D means what? Minus 1.25 plus D. You can subtracting here there is 3.00 minus 1.25. There is this is the 2, there is 10, this is 9, this is 10, 10 minus 5, 5, 9 minus 7, 2 minus 1, there is 1.5, 1.75. Understood? Now you can find out T3, means T2 plus D is equal to, T2 is what? 1.75 plus 3 is equal to 3, 1 is 4, there is 4.75. Now find out the T4, there is T3 plus D is equal to 4.75 plus 3 is equal to 7.75. Now you can write here, there is minus 1.25 comma 1.75 comma 4.75 comma 7.75 dot 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 is the required AP. Understood? Now question of 5 and 6 you can solve. Question number 3, find the first term and the common difference for each of the AP. Understood? There is first question 1, 5, 1, minus 3, minus 7. You can write here, there is T1 is equal to 5, T2 is equal to 1, T3 is equal to minus 3 and T4 is equal to minus 7. Then you find out there is common. First term is what? A. This is a A. A is equal to what means? T1 is means what? A. This is 5. Now second, find out the common difference. Common difference is denoted by D is equal to. How to find out common difference? Second term minus first term. What is second term? T2 minus T1 is equal to what? T2 is 1 minus T1 is what? 5 is equal to what? Minus 4. Now D is equal to T3 minus T2. What T3 is minus 3 and T2 is what? Minus 1. T2 is what? 1. There is minus 3 minus 1 is equal to minus 4. Next is T4 minus T3. What T4 is minus 7 minus 3 is equal to minus 7 plus 3 is equal to minus 4. There is common difference is what? D. And there is first term is what? A. Understood? You can write here A is equal to 5 and D is equal to minus 4. Understood? Now second question, there are 0.6, 0.9, 1.2 and 1.5. You can write here first T1 is equal to 0.6, T2 is equal to 0.9 and T3 is equal to 1.2 and T4 is equal to 1.5. You find out first D, T2 minus T1. Why T2? 0.9 minus 0.6 is equal to what? 0.3. Now second, T3 minus T2 is equal to what? T3 is 1.2 minus 0.9 is equal to 0.3. Now find out D is equal to T4 minus T3 is equal to, T4 is 1.5 minus 1.2 is equal to 0.3. You can write here A is equal to what? 0.6 and D is equal to what? 0.3. Understood? Now question number 3, you can write here first T1 is equal to 127, T2 is equal to 135, T3 is equal to 143 and T4 is equal to 151. Find out common difference. D is equal to T2 minus T1. Why T2 to 135 minus 127 is equal to what? 8 and T3 minus T2 is equal to 143 minus 135 is equal to what? 8. Now find out same. T4 minus T3 is equal to 151 minus 143 is equal to 8. You can write here what is the A? A is what? 127 and D is what? 8. Now question number 4. You can write here T1 is equal to 1 by 4, T2 is equal to 3 upon 4, T3 is equal to 5 upon 4 and T4 is equal to 7 upon 4. To find out common difference, D is equal to what? T2 minus T1 is equal to 3 minus 4 upon 1 by 4 is equal to 3 minus 1 upon 4 is equal to 2 by 4. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are is equal to 1 by 2. Now second, D is equal to T3 minus T2. T3 minus T2 is equal to T3 is 5 upon 4 minus T2 is 3 upon 4. 5 minus 3 upon 4 is equal to 2 upon 4. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4 is equal to 1 upon 2. D is equal to T4 minus T3 is equal to 7 upon 4 minus 5 upon 4 is equal to 7 minus 5 upon 4 is equal to 2 upon 4. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4 is equal to 1 upon 2. You can write here A is equal to what? 1 by 4, 1 by 4 and D is equal to what? 1 by 2. Understood? Now friends, you can like my video, you can subscribe my channel. Thank you friends.